Alright, so I have all the Noiko Kilmat laid out here. And that's it. I have no more pieces left. It's all on the roof. And then on the floor. I had some other stuff there before. I wouldn't mind putting a couple pieces in the doors and maybe where the back seat goes and the trunk. I'll put it everywhere if I had some more. Hey Boris, if you want to send me some more, I'll do some more videos. But yeah, that definitely worked for what I needed it for. So thank you, I really appreciate that, shout out. And so here it is again, 80 mil, 36 square feet, Kilmat. And look, if you got a box Chev, Caprice, Delta, some type of old school, it'll get you this far. I didn't waste any of it. I had a little couple overlaps here and there, but for the most part, I used all the little cut pieces. And so yeah, now I just need to roll it out, get all these air bubbles out. I mean, you could use it like this. I could probably just step on it. It'll probably stick just like it is forever now. But yeah, to really put it on there a little bit more, but that should make a real big difference, because you can see that's super quiet. That's crazy. So it might sound like a new car. I mean, when I close my doors, they still rattle. So we'll have to see about that. Maybe I can get some more for the doors in the trunk. But that went a long way. That looks good. So there it is. That's the Kilmat. You can get that on Amazon or eBay. And I'll show more later when I finish with the roller. So yeah, I finished rolling it out here, and I might do a little bit more, but it's down pretty good, and I'm about ready to put my carpet back in. So that's what I'm about to do. Oh yeah, I can't find the video where I did the rolling out of it. It's somewhere, I don't know where. But basically, it's all you do, you know? Is just roll it out. And I got this small roller here. This is what my brother had. And, you know, I like to use what I have already, so I've just been using this. It didn't take me too long. And you can also get in all the little spaces you need to. But that's pretty much it, you know? After you got it placed where you want to place it, just roll it out. And I had already done it here, so you can see it's on there. But it could probably always use a little bit more, but it's not coming off. Yeah, I don't even think I hit that part yet. Maybe I left some. That's true. I probably didn't even tape it before, because my camera sometimes dies on me, so it probably died on me, so that's probably why I didn't have the film. But here it is right here. And you know, I need to sit on the passenger seat and do it. But that's pretty much it. For the top and bottom, wherever you put it, you just want to roll it out when you're done, and then it'll be stuck on there. Super nice. It's not coming off. It probably, I don't know, I wouldn't say it probably would. I'd probably have to get that scraper out again and really go hard on it. So once you roll it out, you're probably gonna have it on your car for a while. But it might come off. I'm not even sure if you really needed it to, but I don't want to try, because that's not the point I'm going for. So yeah, there it is. That's all the rolling does. So when you're done, just do that. All right, see you guys later. Peace.